Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting a happy little sunset mountain scene, so grab your paints and come along join me. First, we're going to start off with some cadmium yellow, get it on the brush, and just slap it right into the sky right here. Swipe it down here for some reflections in the water, go right around that yellow. And just swipe over at the water. We're just gonna put in a happy little mountain right here. Maybe not such a little mountain, maybe a giant mountain, but you can do whatever you want. Let's just grab some white, plain white, and just go right down the mountain. And we're just gonna go straight down this mountain however we want. A little island of trees lives right here, so let's just make that go whoosh, right on in. Add the happy little trees. Now these may not look like trees, but that's because I'm actually not that good at painting. We're just gonna put a big old tree going right down here. Maybe another one going right here. And we're just gonna add the branches onto them. And we're just gonna put in some land right here. Oh yeah, maybe a lot of land. Goes down like that. And just go, wow. Make some land going right in there. There we go, there's one. Put some limbs on him. Grab some of the color we have and just tap it right in. We're gonna put in some happy little bushes. Maybe some red, make us some little raspberries out there. My mom wants me to put in a little branch right here, so we're just gonna put in this happy little branch going right on up. That's nature. From all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.